Half done. Now we're on to our third program in Office, Excel. Excel is my favorite. First of all, what is a spreadsheet? It's a computer application for computation, organization, analysis, and storage of data in a tabular form. They are developed as computerized analogs of paper accounting worksheets. So the sheets of the old days are now electronic. The program operates on data entered in the cells of the table. Each cell may contain either numeric or text data or the results of formulas that automatically calculate and display a value based on the contents of other cells. Okay, I learned on Lotus 1, 2, 3. That was the original spreadsheet that everybody used. Here's some examples of what Excel could do. I didn't know you could make a Sudoku game. That's kind of cool. You could do budgeting. I do my budget in Excel. I do loan amortization schedules. I actually, when we bought our house, had all these different price points that we could pay at certain income, certain interest rates, and certain periods of time to calculate what our payment would be when we walk through the door. So it's kind of nice to know, oh yeah, we can't afford this house. So there's a weekly chore schedule, a monthly calendar. All these things can be easily created in Excel. Now, Excel is sometimes referred to as a database. It's not really a database, but it does a lot of the functions of what we're going to call Access.